Lord, show me the way. Yes, sir, send me the way. Yes, sir, send me the way. Show me, Lord, show me. Show me, Lord, show me.
What's good, family? Welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy LaShawn Taylor. Man, I'm excited for this video today. I don't know if you guys seen one of the very first videos that I posted on my channel. It was the Coco Melon birthday outfit for kids. That one is currently at 27K, I believe. I did like a whole paint concept with heat transfer vinyl, and a lot of people loved it. A lot of people didn't even realize that you can do that with vinyl. If you heard of the brand Gallery Dept, they got a whole bunch of different merch. I seen one shirt in particular where it had Gallery Dept on the upper chest, and then it had like paint splatter. So I'm thinking like, yo, that would be dope to show people how to get that paint splatter using vinyl on a t-shirt. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this video. So basically what we're gonna do is just type in paint splatter in Google. We'll go to images, and we wanna get some realistic looking paint splatters. And matter of fact, I want to also see if I can get this in transparent already so that I'm not struggling to do it myself. Okay, cool. This one is transparent. Let me download. Let's see if I can find another one. And just like in the other project, I'm using a bunch of different color vinyls for the paint. So this part of the process, just making sure that I get pictures that like really display paint good. Okay, this is cool. This is a transparent one. Save image to downloads. And the way you know it's transparent is when you click on it and the background goes to that checkered board look. Did I get this one? Nah, I don't think I did. So we're gonna save this one too. Save image to downloads. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get this one, and I'll just manually do this one just so I can show you guys too how to do it. Save image to downloads. All right, now I'm gonna get out of Safari. I'll go ahead and go to my Cricut design space. Upload image, then I'll go to browse, and in my recents, hold on, I'll go to downloads. So I'll go ahead and click the one I just did that I'll manually do, hit complex, then press continue, and I'm just gonna press the white, and that should be good. I'll hit apply and continue so you can see what it'll look like. And that's not bad. That's pretty perfect. I'll just name this Splatter. And then I'll hit upload. Well, let me go ahead and just add them to my photos. So I'll click on this one. Add to photos. X out of that. And I'll click on this one, do the same thing, add them to my photos. Then I'll do this one and add this one to my photos, so that way I won't have to go searching for it. It'll already be in my recent images. So I'm gonna go back to Cricut design space, hit upload image, and then browse recents, and then here are the three that I just did. Now this part doesn't matter because it's already in a transparent mode. So I'll just go ahead and, I'll still go ahead and hit complex. But this is exactly what we want right here. Then hit apply and continue, and then cut image.
paint splatter is fine for the image name, and then hit upload. And we'll do the rest to our other 2 images as well. And as you can see, here are our 4 splatter images. So I'm gonna click on those, and then I'm gonna hit add to canvas. I'm gonna zoom out, and then I'm gonna resize the paint splatters. I don't need them super big at all. Like, all I need is like 2 inches. Matter of fact, I'll do everything at like 2 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit make it. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and mirror the design just because I like the way they look from what we've seen. I'm gonna hit continue. And from this process, I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be. I'm gonna show you guys the machines cutting out each piece of vinyl, and I'll meet you back when I'm ready to start applying it. All right, we're starting with the red vinyl. I'm gonna go ahead and just place it in my Cricut with the red side face down. Even it up. Make sure it's flat. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert it. And the laptop is set for everyday iron on. And now I'm gonna hit the blinking Cricut symbol, and we're gonna get started. All right, y'all, so now here's the fun part. We got all our paint splatters cut out, and I did cut them in half, you know, just to give different paint effects and everything. And now we're gonna apply this pressure. Let's get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and like just make different paint splatters on the t-shirt. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and press these down, and then I'm gonna move to the back side, and I'm gonna apply some to the back. All right, now I got my Cricut Easy Press set at 300 degrees for 30 seconds, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these pressed down. Make sure I get maximum pressure too with both hands. Now this side is pretty warm. I'm gonna start peeling these up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just do one for now. I'm gonna just do this red one. I'm gonna leave that, and now we're just gonna go ahead and reverse to the other side. All right. And now we're gonna start applying to this side. Now that we got this on the back, we're gonna go ahead and get the back breast out. And let me just zoom in for you guys because the back is looking crazy. The back going crazy right now. I think I actually have more splatter on the back than the front. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this pressed out again. Alright. Now while this side is cooling down, I'm going to turn it back over to the front. And I'm going to start peeling the rest of these off. Alright, and that's our finished front. The front is looking great. Front is looking awesome right now. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, the front is going crazy. Alright, now I'm going to reverse it back to the other side. And we're going to start peeling off the other side. Look at that. Yo, this came out so dope. Let me zoom in for y'all. This came out extremely dope. Look at that, yo. Look at all the splatter, man. They go crazy. I'm trying to tell y'all something. All right, now for the final part, I'm gonna go ahead and get my words on there. I'm gonna do the back first. Right here. And I still have my reference line. It's coming down the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and line that up accordingly. I'm gonna go ahead and press this down for 30 seconds at 300 degrees. Get full pressure with this as well. All right. And then I'm gonna turn it over to the front. And I'm gonna go ahead and press the front. And I'm pressing this on the left chest. So I'm gonna get that lined up. And I'm gonna get this pressed for 30 seconds too at 300 degrees. Alright. And I'm gonna flip back to the other side. And we're gonna peel this. Oh yeah. Be careful because it will be hot still from the pressing on the front side. Get back to this side. We're gonna go ahead and peel this side too. Oh yeah. Now for some B-roll.
Alright family, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Appreciate y'all for watching, especially if you stayed for the whole thing. I know this was a very lengthy process, but you can get the job done and it gives such a dope look. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell your family, tell your friends. We're only going up from here. If you got any questions, ask questions and I'll be sure to get back to you. But yo, always remember, keep applying pressure to life, because life has no boundaries. Until next video, we out.
Show me, Lord, show me. show me. Lord, show me.